Hi everyone, today I will show you how to use the iVario nozzle, iVario DN50. This nozzle uses our servo motor already integrated the DMX driver inside, so no need external DMX driver. Okay, so from the back you see we have the power supply in, DMX in, DMX out for the DMX signal. This is water inlet with the mesh strainer mesh to prevent all the obstruction. Yeah, this is the water outlet, make the water open and close, blooming effect. Underneath the motor there is a indicator LED. This will indicate the power supply and the mix signal. If the power supply in, it will turn red. Yeah. Okay, so I turn off the power. Turn on. When turn on the power, the LED will blink in 3 seconds. Then steady on. If there is the mix signal, this LED will blink constantly. So you can check whether the DMX signal okay or not. Okay, so now we will dry the DMX address and test the nozzle. Okay, to dry the DMX address, we need the USB address writer connect to the DMX in cable. Connect the D plus, D minus. The USB cable connect to computer. On the computer, turn on the ICONVINA device manager. So let's on it. Okay. Thing. When only connect one device, press pin device will find exactly the UID of the device. You can see here is the number already labeled here. Okay, same. So below is the DMX address. Now it currently is number 3. I will change it to number 1. Change to number 1. Write DMX ID. Okay. Then read back again. It's okay. Okay, number 1 already written. To control the nozzle occupies 2 DMX channels. The first channel is control. Put it to 55. Second channel is angle to control the opening and close water effect. Yes. When you control the second channel, the open and close will change proportionally. The second function is automatic open and close. If the first channel from 128 to 255, it will run automatically. And the second channel for speed control. Yes, you can change the speed.